This will be interesting. It's a new setup. It's a desk and a microphone arm that serves as a selfie stick or whatever for the camera. So yeah, I don't know, but you can see all sorts of crap there. This is not good so far. So let's see if I can show you the model number of this TV that I'm going to repair. First, now that we're in this position, maybe I should plug it in first and show you, because I already tried it. It does 4 blink code on the red LED. Let's see. Plugging it in. 4. I don't know if you saw it. It was here on this LED. 3 or 4. I don't know how to count it. Maybe it has to come on once and then gives the code, or it starts with the code. So I don't know. But I already looked it up. ChatGPT and Google and whatever, they told me it's a power supply quality issue. So probably a dead capacitor or something. Yeah, this is a first generation LED TV. So 20 years old, 15, whatever, something like that. It's just 720p. From Orion, I don't know what brand this is. I saw a bunch of these in Hungary and Romania. So some cheap brand. So yeah. But now it came on. It's theoretically ready to boot up. I mean start. Let's use this. It has a nice little capacitive button here. I like these very much. Samsung's and a couple more brands had it. It's touch. Yeah? No? Like that. And it comes on. Like this. The backlight seems a bit off. I mean, 2 bright spots here and it's dark here and here. So, I don't know. May still have problems. But I think it's worth checking out and fixing the power supply. And then maybe changing the LEDs. Who knows what's inside, and maybe it can be used for some time with fresh parts. And also, I want a TV that has these protective things on the sides, not just frameless. That is the stupidest thing ever invented, to make frameless TVs. You just hit it from the side and it's cracked. Sorry, no warranty, throw it out. So yeah, let's switch it off and pull it out and see what's inside. Hopefully I don't put it on a screw or something. Can I flip it like this? Like that. Nothing on the table, hopefully. Like that. And let's zoom in to see what it is. It's an ORION T32T-DLED, which means it's direct LED, not on the edge. So it has probably LEDs like this, all over the back, and yeah, not on the sides or on the bottom. So it doesn't say much here on the back. It just has some legacy input and output, the VGA and SCART antenna. Probably has a smart card too, yes. And has a USB there, like right there, but it can only read video and photos, not for anything else. And what do you call this? Composite video and audio. The red, white and yellow jacks. So yeah, found this one thrown out, and probably gonna fix it for myself. Yeah, let's start with all the screws. This has a lot of screws. Like here. Oh, let's zoom out. You can't see anything. It has 2 screws here, here and here on the bottom. Yeah, that's plastic screw. Another plastic screw on the side here. Yeah, down here. Oh boy, that fell. Can I reach this one? No, I can't. Maybe if I pull it out like this on the edge of the bit. I have a hard time finding good bits. Most of them are gone after just a few uses. This one is good. This one I bought recently, Kendo, whatever that means. Still works because I bought them recently. But my father, for example, he had some really nice ones that lasted for years. I don't know how he picked them. Yeah. Oh boy. How many are there? Even on the top here. And one more here. Okay. Oh, 2 here, I think. These also hold the back like sneaky little devils, holding on to the logic board. So yeah, 2 small screws and the rest are identical. That's good. Let's put them somewhere safe. And let's pull off the back panel. It should come off without any complications. Yeah? What's under it? Oh, stupid speakers. I don't know how they are held in place. Oh, by the screws that are holding the thing together. Okay. We can get out the speakers. And the power cable is still in the way. Let's get that out. Hey! I think I cut myself. Okay. And the screw fell out. Doesn't matter. It doesn't need all the screws. Because it's really good construction. So yeah, we have a tiny little this is really tiny logic board, because it's not smart, it's not anything. It just has a processor here with a ceramic cap, and they don't care if it overheats or something. And yeah, everything connected up nicely. Let's just pull the connectors and put them back in. That's good practice, I think. Come on. Like that. And here, this is just the LED. down here. Pull this out also. The speakers, why not? Put them back. And that's kind of all my expertise here. So how can I show you the... This is the... It has a separate inverter for the backlight, which is kind of odd because it has LEDs. Usually the LEDs just have a chip and a capacitor and that's it. Maybe a coil. So this has a transformer, 2 capacitors and probably some chips under this metal thing. This is the live power supply and yeah. I can't see any fault with it, with the naked eye. Nothing is toast, nothing is out of place, everything seems nice. So yeah, it's not such an easy job to fix something like this. All the capacitors have their tops nice and flat. So yeah, I don't know what else to do. I just clean off the dust. Maybe. Hopefully it doesn't shock me. It's not plugged in. This shouldn't have high voltage because it's LED TV. Only the CCFL TVs have 20,000 volts. So yeah. Oh! That little black capacitor. That seems a bit exploded. Or it's not a capacitor at all. I think it's a capacitor. And it has something black on the top, so you can't see the... Okay. Yeah. That is not flat. So that's the only visual problem I found on this board. Let's just keep cleaning a bit and see. So yeah, this one. Huh. Is that even... That's coming closer. Yeah. That seems... you can see the shadow bending right on the top there. So half is shadowy, half is reflecting the light. So yeah, that is all I can find. And if that's not it, then who knows? What can that be? What value? I can't look at it like this. I'll do some checking. Yeah, off camera, of course. I have to shut down the video. And hopefully you learned something by now. How to take apart an ORION TV that resembles a Samsung very much. With the mounting screws and the speakers, how they are mounted. And the touch buttons. It very much resembles the Samsung. So, yeah. I'll make another video if I find something else. But until then, this little capacitor here is probably the problem.